Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this brand new Lipsense color, I'm so excited to share this Lipsense color because it's brand new. Please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, I am so excited to do this video for you because I got my hands on one of the new Lipsense colors and it is amazing. And I tried to do an IGTV video over on my Instagram and for some reason it just cut me off on the eyeshadow look, but I used Candlelight, all over Candlelight Shadow Sense. Then I used Nude Rose, which is new to me, and then on the outer corner I used French Rose and Champagne Shimmer, and oh my gosh, amazing. I love Shadow Sense. I might redo the IGTV video over because I was all out of sorts. So, yeah. So my hair is up. I need to re-dye it. Life is busy. It was busy all this morning, so I'm hopping on, and it's afternoon now. So I'm just around the house today. But I want to tell you guys, I am so blown away. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. There's a link in my about on YouTube because, like I said in previous videos, I do a lot more on Instagram than I do here during the week. Yes, I post Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but I don't launch it to Facebook or to Instagram till Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I almost said Friday. So, but one of my reels is almost at 200,000 views. I am so blown away, and two of my IGTV videos is over 1,000 views in less than a week. That's more than I get here on YouTube. So I am just blown away. Yes, I'm happy that I have over 80,000 views. Super happy, excited that I have that much. But I'm just so blown away. It's just totally taken off. So the new Lipsense, back to normal. The new Lipsense that I got my hands on is Golden Berry. I thought it would go really well with my eye look today that I'm showing you. And I actually put black eyeliner with teal. And if you don't know what Lipsense is a liquid lip color that is equal to 3 tubes of regular Lipsense. It's smudge proof, kiss proof. It has sun protection. Doesn't have any animal products in it. It's not tested on any animals. The Lipsense lasts from 4 to 18 hours, which is amazing. I can testify to it. I do not know where, here it is, gloves to glass. So if you are just wanting to start out with Lipsense, here is what you need. I lost part of the cap, so this is an oops remover. This does remove your Lipsense after you want to take it off. So, and this has coconut oil in it. It's pretty amazing. You need that, and you have to have a glossy glass to seal the Lipsense in. So this is a starter kit. So you would get a Lipsense is $25. If you already have the glass and the oops remover, great. You don't need. And sometimes when there's a new Lipsense color, they will, Engines will add in a free oops remover. I think this is like $20. At the end result of this video, I'll check it out and give you an answer. So the glass is 20 and the Lipsense is 25. So this Lipsense is like a mauve pink. It is a limited edition and we're all thinking that it's gonna sell out because it is an amazing color. So before you start with any Lipsense, if it's new or you're just wanting to apply it and it's not new, you always want to shake it up. And if you hear that clicking noise, it's actually a ball mixing up the color. So you want to add 3 thin layers of Goldenberry Lipsense. During those 3 thin layers, you can fix them up in between, but your lips cannot touch until after you apply the 3rd layer. And every time before you add a layer, you want to make sure that your lips are dry to the touch. But back the truck up. So before you add the Lipsense, you want to make sure that there's no food, no makeup on your lips. Because if you have that, the Lipsense is not going to stay, it's not going to last, it's going to crack, all that stuff. So you want to take a clean rag, damp rag, and just clean your lips off and blot it dry. So my lips are dry to the touch. I've already shaken it, have my glass. So this is layer 1. It is so pretty. It has a shimmer to it. It is amazing. So with the Lipsense, you want to go in the same direction you start with each layer. But when you add the glass on, you don't need to. So here I go, layer 1. Okay. Again. Here's layer 1. Make sure it's dry. Yep, layer 2. Okay. There's layer 2. See, it's so pretty. So pretty. There's a dog outside or something. It's barking. Okay. Dry to the touch. Third layer. Third and final layer. I did it wrong this time. Okay. Let it dry. Oh, it's still sticky. Well. Nothing on my hand. Wait a couple seconds. Put the gloss on. Rub them together. And there you have it. I'll go in better lighting at the end result. But do you see there's nothing on my hand? Nothing. Nothing on my hand except vitiligo. Nothing. Nothing. This is the shadow sense. Nothing. Like, it stays on. It's so good. Ugh. You have no idea. So I'm gonna come clean my makeup up here and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result, and this is how the Golden Berry Lipsense color turned out. It is amazing. It's like one of the best Lipsense colors I have ever used since I've been using Lipsense, and that's been over a year now because I've been using Synergens makeup for almost 2 years. So this is such a good color, and it goes so natural with my eye look that I got going today. So yeah, it has a little bit of shimmer to it if you can't tell, but it's just the perfect color. So, and it's Golden Berry Lipsense. So I found out that the Oops Remover is not $20 or $25. It is $10. So a Lipsense is $25 if you're just starting out. Let's say you're just starting out, you just saw my video. A Lipsense is $25. A glossy gloss is $20. So that's $55. And then a Oops Remover is $10, so that's $65. But if you already have Oops Remover and a gloss, just $25. So, but in order to make the Lipsense work, I forgot to say this before, you have to seal it in with glossy gloss, because if you don't, it's going to like make your lips a mess and tacky, and it just won't work. Trust me. Just don't try. Use a gloss. So, if you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. I will put a link, my very own link, so that you can shop for the Golden Berry. Once you click on that link, you want to scroll down to the very bottom where it says Shop Now, and then it's going to go to another page, and you're going to click the icon lips, and it's in there. So, yeah. And if you have, like I said, if you have any questions, I'm an open book. Please be kind. But please follow me on my Instagram account, because I do a lot more over there than I do here during the week. So if you can't find the link, it's in my about on YouTube. You should be able to. It's RE Design 16. My picture will show up and you can follow me there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button. And also don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video every single time. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.